Imagine starting your day with one simple move that can transform your entire body and mind. This move does not need equipment, does not take much time, and works almost every major muscle in your body. This move is the plank. Plank is one of the most effective core exercises ever created. It looks simple, but the impact it creates is powerful. Your core, shoulders, legs, back, and even your mind gets stronger every single day you practice it. When you hold a plank, your body becomes a single straight line. Your muscles activate together to support you. Your spine becomes stronger, your balance improves, and your posture gets better without effort. Every second of holding a plank is like building a stronger version of yourself from the inside out. Doing plank every day improves your core stability. A strong core protects your lower back, supports your daily movements, and helps you move with ease, from lifting things to sitting for long hours, from running to sports. Everything becomes easier with a strong core. Plank also burns more calories than most people think. Even though you are not moving, your muscles are working hard. Your metabolism rises, your body tightens, and your abdominal muscles become more visible over time. This single exercise can help shape your waist and flatten your stomach. One of the biggest benefits of plank is confidence. The longer you hold it, the more you challenge your limits. Every extra 5 seconds you win is a reminder that you are becoming stronger and more disciplined. Plank also improves balance and coordination. When you hold your body still, your mind learns control, your muscles learn stability. This reduces injuries, increases athletic performance, and helps you move more efficiently in daily life. Practicing plank every day also strengthens your shoulders, arms, and upper body. Your chest and shoulder muscles stay engaged the whole time. This gives you a toned upper body and reduces the tension that comes from slouching. Another powerful benefit is improved posture. Bad posture leads to pain, fatigue, and low energy. Plank trains your spine to stay straight and aligned. This makes you look taller, more confident, and more energetic. If you struggle with back pain, planks help reduce it. A strong core supports your spine, less pressure, less strain, more strength. Plank also improves your mental strength. Holding still while feeling the burn teaches focus and discipline. You learn to control discomfort, you learn to push through, you learn to stay calm even under pressure. Start with short sets, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Slowly increase the time. 1 minute becomes normal, 2 minutes becomes achievable, 3 minutes becomes a challenge you look forward to beating no matter your fitness level. Plank fits everyone. Beginners can start easy, advanced athletes can add variations. Side plank, arm lift plank, leg lift plank, reverse plank. Each variation works different muscles and increases the challenge. Make plank a daily habit, a habit that takes less than 2 minutes, a habit that improves your body, your mind, and your confidence, a habit that changes your life. Slowly but surely. Do it after waking up, do it before sleeping, do it during a study break, do it at the gym, anywhere, anytime. Plank every day builds discipline, discipline builds consistency, consistency builds transformation. Your stronger body, your stronger mind, your better life starts with a simple plank every single day.